After 60, when there is tingling in the legs, people think it's just the effect of age. Let it go. But let me tell you something that maybe no one will tell you. This tingling, this numbness, this pain in the calves at night that makes you scream out of sleep, this is not the effect of age. This is your body's alarm. An alarm that is shouting at you that something is going wrong inside. And if you don't pay attention now, things can get much worse later. Now stop for a second and think. Does it happen to you that as soon as you get out of bed in the morning, it feels like needles are pricking the soles of your feet? Or in the evening, your legs feel so heavy as if cement has been filled in them? Or while walking, suddenly it feels like your feet are not even touching the ground properly. Your balance is getting disturbed and you feel scared that you might fall. If even one of these things is happening to you, then today's video is for you. And I'm not saying this because it's just a normal health tips video. No. Today I'm going to tell you something that often gets missed in a 10-minute visit at the doctor's clinic. That thing which gets buried behind medicines. The real reason, because of which your nerves are getting weak. Blood is not reaching your legs properly, and your body is slowly starting to give up on you. And the most important thing today, I will tell you 3 such home remedies through which you can stop this dangerous chain. You can bring your nerves back to life and get rid of this pain and tingling. And these remedies are so easy that you can start from tonight. But their effect will surprise you. Just one condition, you have to watch this video till the end, because the 3rd remedy is the most powerful, and I will tell that at the end. So let's start with the most important thing first, which is to understand what is actually happening inside your body. Look, inside your body, there is a network of nerves spread out, just like there is a network of electric wires in a city. Just like electric wires deliver electricity to every house, in the same way your nerves deliver signals from the brain to every organ. Now think, if in some area an electric wire gets cut or there is a short circuit somewhere, what will happen? That whole area will go into darkness, right? Exactly the same thing is happening in your body. When nerves get compressed, when there is pressure on them, or when they receive less blood supply, they stop working properly. And then begins that chain which starts with tingling and goes to numbness, pain, and weakness. And if this chain does not stop, one day those nerves get so damaged that it becomes very difficult to recover them. Now the question is, why do these nerves get damaged? Look, there are 3 big reasons. The first reason is sitting continuously. When you sit in the same position for hours, the discs in the lower part of your spine slowly start shifting from their place. And when they shift, they press the nerves passing behind them. This is sciatica pain. That pain which starts from the lower back and goes all the way down the leg. The second reason is increased sugar in the blood. Very few people know that diabetes is not just a disease of sugar. It is actually the biggest enemy of your nerves. When blood sugar increases, it hardens the small blood vessels from the inside. And when these vessels become hard, oxygen supplied to the nerves of the legs decreases. As a result, the nerves remain starved and slowly start dying. And the third reason, this is the reason that people know the least about. On top of every nerve, there is a very thin layer. Think of it like the plastic coating over an electric wire. This layer is called the myelin sheath. This layer protects your nerves. But when there is a deficiency of vitamin B12, vitamin B1, and omega-3 in the body, this layer slowly starts wearing out. And when this layer wears out, the nerves become exposed. Just like touching an electric wire without coating gives you a shock, in the same way nerves without a myelin sheath start sending pain signals even on the slightest movement. So now you understand that this pain, this tingling, this condition where your calves become like stone at night, this is not a small thing. This is a silent battle going on inside your body. But the good news is that you can win this battle. And to win, you don't need expensive medicines. You don't need a big operation. You just need those 3 remedies that I am about to tell you. So the first remedy, and this remedy is so easy that you can do it right now wherever you are sitting. But before I tell you this, I want you to do one thing. Place both your feet on the ground and pay attention. Do you feel a slight tingling in your feet right now? A slight numbness? If yes, then this first remedy can prove to be a game changer for you. The name of this remedy is nerve flossing. Now you must be thinking, what is this? Look, just like you floss between your teeth to remove stuck debris, in the same way, this exercise frees your compressed nerves. The swelling that has built up around them, the pressure that has formed, slowly reduces and the nerve starts working again. Now how to do it, listen carefully. Sit comfortably on a chair. Now straighten one leg and pull your toes towards yourself. When you lift your head up, Push your toes outward, and when you bring your head down and touch your chin to your chest, pull your toes back towards yourself. This movement has to be done very slowly. No hurry at all. 10 times on one side, then 10 times with the other leg. Twice a day, morning and evening. That's it. Such a small task. But this small task will do for your nerves what maybe months of medicine could not do. Because medicine suppresses the pain, but this exercise works on the root of that pain. Now, the second remedy, and after hearing this, you will say, can something so simple give such a big benefit? Yes, sometimes the simplest things are the most effective. This remedy is lying down with your legs up against the wall. It sounds very simple, right? But if you understand the science behind it, you will be surprised. Look, all day when you sit or stand, because of gravity, blood keeps collecting downward in your legs. And when this blood cannot return to the heart, swelling occurs in the legs. Heaviness comes and extra pressure is put on the nerves. Now, when you lie down and raise your legs against the wall, gravity starts working with you, not against you. That collected blood, that impure oxygen-depleted blood, starts flowing back toward the heart, and fresh oxygen-rich blood reaches your nerves. Before sleeping at night, just put your legs up against the wall for 10 minutes. Close your eyes and take deep breaths for 10 minutes. In that time, the swelling in your legs will reduce, the heaviness will disappear, and you will feel a strange light relief that you may not have felt for a long time. Now, the third and final remedy, and this is the most powerful one because it works from the inside, not the outside. The two remedies I told you give relief to your nerves from the outside. But the real repair has to happen from the inside, right? And that will happen with something that might already be in your kitchen. Garlic. Yes, garlic. The garlic that you use daily in your food. Inside it, there is a compound called allicin. And this allicin does for your nerves what even the most expensive medicine cannot do. It reduces inflammation in the nerves, thins the blood so it can easily reach every nerve. And most importantly, it cleans the cholesterol deposited in the blood vessels. But one thing, eating garlic raw like that does not give that much benefit. There is a right method, and I will tell you that method. Before sleeping at night, take 1 glass of milk, about 250 milliliters. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them well. Crushing is important because until garlic is crushed, allicin does not become active. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper is added because without it, your body cannot absorb turmeric properly. Black pepper increases the effect of turmeric many times. Now boil this milk on low heat until it becomes slightly thick. Then let it become lukewarm and drink it. That's it. Just 1 glass every night before sleeping? Such a small task. But this 1 glass will go inside your nerves and do the cleaning, the repair that no amount of massage or external treatment can do. And yes, let me tell you one bonus thing. If there is a lot of swelling in your legs, then twice a week, add half a cup of Epsom salt to lukewarm water and soak your feet in it for 15 minutes. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which reaches your muscles directly through your skin and relieves tension. Now, in the end, one very important thing, all 3 remedies work, but only when you do them daily. If you do it one day and stop, nothing will happen. Give your body time. Your nerves have been getting damaged for years. They will not heal in one night. But if you do these 3 things consistently, within a few weeks, you will start feeling the difference. And yes, if the pain is very severe or weakness in the legs is increasing, then definitely consult a doctor once. Now I have one request for you. If you found today's video helpful, then send it to the elders in your home. Send it to your parents. Send it to your grandparents. Send it to any elderly relative because it is possible that they are silently suffering this pain and not even telling anyone. Your one share can change their life. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and tell in the comments which remedy you like the most. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself.